In yesterday's class, we have learned about the 5 criteria which will help us to make a triangle. In this class, that was a revision of previous classes that we have done already. In this class, we have 3 types of construction of triangle. The first type class is, so the main topic of this class is this one now, construction of triangle when first case base length is given, comma, base angle is given, or you can say one base angle is given. Class, try to understand, it's very important. The 3 cases are very important, try to understand. One base angle is given, and the third one is sum of remaining 2 sides. This is the first scenario in which they will be giving you a base or some measurement, a base angle, and sum of remaining 2 sides. And you have to consider a triangle. So we will learn this one today. The second case is when they will give you base length, one base angle, and this time they will give you difference of, very good Vaishnav, difference of remaining 2 sides. Class, there is one problem. When you add 2 things, their order is not affecting anything. But when you are taking a difference, at that time you have to think of one thing. I told you in difference, always the larger quantity is written first. If you remember, in difference, we have seen the larger side will be written first. Do you remember that, class? So here also we have 2 mini sub cases. In this case number 2, we have 2 mini cases. The first one is side containing base angle is larger. The hint is take arc upwards. I will explain this tomorrow, not today, but just giving you a hint. And second case is side containing angle, sorry, the base angle is smaller. The hint here is take arc downwards. I will explain all this tomorrow. And the last case for triangle construction is when perimeter is given, comma, 2 base angles given. So these are 3 cases in which this third case is not, or it is deleted by CBSE, but it is very easy. So I will teach you, sorry, this one. Okay, now let's start the construction of first case. Shall we start now, class? The first case, case 1. Beta Vaishnav, that's what I'm saying, na? The third case is deleted by CBSE, but not by me. It is very easy. I will tell you. Okay, it is my duty. So let me give you an example for this. Construct triangle ABC. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 6 centimeter, comma, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and AB plus AC is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, now they are saying measure AB and AC and justify your answer. Okay, so class, if you observe, first we should draw always a rough diagram. I have told you in last class also, before making the main construction, before making the main building, you should make a rough diagram on a paper of how it will look like. So The rough diagram is like this. I can see base is BC, so I will make BC downwards. The A will be coming upwards. BC is how much? BC is 6 centimeter as per the rough diagram. Angle B is 60 degree, and sum of AB plus AC is given to us as 9 centimeter. Till this point, any issue, class, in the rough diagram? Anything you want to ask? Or shall we start? No, sir. So let us start the construction now. If you want, you can have a rough copy and I will be telling the steps that you can write, or you can use the steps from R.S. Agarwal. The steps are very easy over there. You can just write the steps from there. So let me start. One second. Okay, someone is there in waiting room. Aditi Lal, Aryan, Jivansh, Khushi. Okay, now let's see. Height. The first thing is we will make draw base BC equal to 6 centimeter. So first thing is we will draw the base as 6 centimeter from 0 to this point. Okay, so we have drawn the base little bit more. Okay, leave it. So we have the base BC is equal to 6 centimeter. After this, we have, okay, we have to construct an angle of B as 60 degree. So next step is draw an angle of 60 degree using compass. We all know how to draw, very easy. Now take an arc keeping on 0 degree. We can use D also. No beta, use compass. You have to show some efforts, na? If you use D only, what efforts you have shown? So this is the first angle, 60 degree. Now just join them. Okay. I will tell you. This is the first line, class, that we have got. Let me call it X. This point is not required this much, but I have made it longer because I require it. So you can say the first step is draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Second step is draw angle CBX is equal to 60 degree. So we have done two steps. The third step is now we will utilize the sum of remaining two sides. Class, what is the sum of remaining two sides? It is 9. So we will open the compass on the scale. We will take scale and we will open the compass on scale. How much? Till 9 centimeter. From this point to, let me open it, 9. This much. Is it okay, class? So you will open your compass till 9 and you will lock it now this and take an arc on this sum of two sides. This will give you sum of two sides. So class, tell me, is this point A, the point that we have got, is it the third vertex? Please tell me. No, it is not the third vertex. It is the intermediate step to reach to that step. So let me call it P. I am following the R.S. Agarwal so that it is easy for you to understand the steps of construction from this example. Okay. So we have drawn this intermediate point P and this length BP is how much? It is 9, class, it is 9 centimeters. Now the next step is join, class, the next step is join CP. Cannot place, we have to join C. So next step is join CP. Now class, what do we want actually? We want point A. We want point A, and we know point A will lie where? Please tell me, point A will lie on BP or PC? Please tell me, this vertex A will lie on BP or CP? It will lie on BP because we know this is sum of two sides. Now the problem is how to obtain that point. The problem is how to obtain that point. We know that lies somewhere on this BP, but how to obtain? To obtain that, we will use CP. We will draw a perpendicular bisector of this CP, and let's see how. First, you will keep your compass on point C. We know to draw perpendicular bisector of any side, you open the compass more than half and take arcs on both the sides. The first arc is, suppose, coming here. This is the first arc. Okay, let me make it a little larger. Let me make it open more. Now it's fine. This is the first arc that we have taken on this side. Similarly, you will take one arc on this side also. Now it's fine. Then we will keep on point P and take another arc it went short, so we have to extend that again. Keeping on C again, just extend this. So class, we have obtained the perpendicular bisector. Just join it. I guess this is the perpendicular bisector. So I can say this is dividing. Let me take the pencil. So this is equal to this thing, and this is perpendicular also. This point where it is cutting your BP, class, this point where it is cutting the BP is known as your vertex A. So class, to obtain the vertex A, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this side. And now you can join A and C. And this is your required triangle. Till this point, any issue, class? Till this point, any issue? No. Anyone who wants to ask any step, please ask. Sir, BA equal to AP. BA equal to AP. No. BA is not equal to AP. AP is equal to AC. I will tell you how. AP is equal to AC. This is the concept that we have used here. Okay. Utkarsh, AP is equal to AC. I will tell you how. Okay. Now see. One second. Now, class C, what we have done, first step, we have drawn this BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Second step we have done, we have drawn angle CBX is equal to 60 degree. Third step we have done, we have taken an arc, cut arc BP is equal to how much? 9 centimeter. Fourth step we have done, join. Yes class, please tell me what is the fourth step? Join. Please tell. Yes, join CP. Fifth step is draw perpendicular bisector of CP. Sixth step, you can write here also, to cut BP at A. So this step will complete everything. The step number 5, draw perpendicular bisector of CP to cut BP at A. This is the fifth step. Sixth step is join AC, and last step is triangle ABC is the required triangle. Is it fine, class? Is it fine till here? Now, before proceeding further, I want to ask you one thing. Vaishnav, I am just wasting my time na writing these steps of construction. Why it will come in exams? है ना? Why it will come in exam? Sir, please repeat. Parkhi. Okay. Parkhi, the first step that we have done, first of all, it is the first case of construction of triangles in which one base length is given to you, one base angle is given to you, and sum of other two sides is given to you. You have to make a way to reach the particular triangle. The first thing that we have done, we have drawn the base as 6 centimeter. Second thing that we have done is the base angle as 60 degree. So you can see first step is BC 6 centimeter. Second step is angle CBX equal to 60 degree. Third step is the length that was given to me, sum of two sides. I have cut an arc of that length and I have named it a new point P, and I said BP is 9 centimeter. Fourth step is I join this point P with my third vertex C. Okay. After that, I have drawn a perpendicular bisector of CP, which will be cutting my BP at A. And this is the required point A vertex. Now I will join A and C, and this is my required triangle. This first case is very easy. It is similar to every question. Same steps you have to follow. You can even follow the same names also, same alphabets also, no issue. Okay, Parkhi, I think now it is clear to you. Please confirm. Please confirm, Parkhi. Okay, now comes the verification. How will you verify this, or how this came into existence? How will you check? Class, we all know given to us is AB plus AP equal to how much? Please tell me. Given to us is AB plus AP equal to how much? It is 9 centimeter. And we want to prove, what we want to prove beta? Given है AB plus AC, हमको ये अभी पता है starting में, and we have to prove AB plus AC equal to 9 centimeter. This we have to obtain. Now the things is, you have to replace AP with what? You have to replace AP with AC. Now the question comes, can we say right now AP equal to AC? Question comes, can we say right now AP equal to AC? Piyush, we can say. I will tell you how. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This angle is 90. I don't know why it is not going well on that side. Now, let me tell you why. We have learned, if you have a line, suppose this only PC. Please see. Criteria, you can use criteria also. Just by simply you can do. You can measure by scale also, that is fine, but that is for you only. You cannot verify by that. So see, suppose you have a line PC and you have a midpoint D. What does this mean? That DP equal to DC. Class, we have learned this thing, midpoint से पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने ये. Now if I take perpendicular on this midpoint, try to understand, if I draw a perpendicular on this point D, what will happen? Now, wherever I take a point on this perpendicular, that point will be at an equal distance from other 2 points. What do you say? Will that be correct? If I say G is a point lying on perpendicular bisector of this PC, can we say GP equal to GC? We can say. If you are confused, you can prove this also. How? You can say, sir, in these two triangles, you can see this GD is common. GD is common. This angle equal to this angle, both are 90 degree. And this PD equal to DC, we already know. So by SAS, also we can say they are equal. So whether you use the congruency criteria or you use simple property, you can say the point lying on the perpendicular bisector of any side of any line is at equal distance from both the ends. Simple property is there. A point lying on perpendicular bisector of any line will be at equal distance from both the ends. Is it clear to everyone? Whether you use the property or the congruency criteria, you can obtain this thing. So this was the logic of this construction. We tried to find AP equal to AC, that give us AB free. We just tried to find AP equal to AC, that gave us AB free. So class, is the first, what do you say, concept of construction of triangle is clear to you? Any doubts? Yes, you can prove by criteria also, no issue. So we can say, one second. So as I have proved, AB, let me see. We had AB plus AB equal to 9 centimeter. I can replace now AB plus AC is equal to 9 centimeter. Hence proved, because AP equal to AC. So with this, we have verified that our construction is correct. Class, fine? An issue? I think it's fine. Let me just close this recording. Sir, can you check with scale? But in this case, the scale will not tilt like that. That is the issue. Else I would have shown you by that. You can do at your home, because your scale is not having that condition that my scale is having. Okay. So you can use your scales to check this also.